Hello, everyone, and happy Monday. Unfortunately, I can't be there with you today, but I just kind of want to give you an idea of what the plan is. First of all, you need to find and get out your Unit 5 review. You were given that on Friday. If you weren't here on Friday, the substitute does have extra copies, so you can get a copy from them. And you will still test tomorrow, even though I'm not here today. So your job today is to finish up this review. Remember, you were assigned the evens, so now you're going to do all the odds or whatever other problems you need to do. And then once you're finished, you can check your answers with the answer key. And there are a couple of different ways to access the answer key. First of all, if you look on the front board and on the side board to your left, there are copies of the answer key in black and white. There's also one copy of the answer key in color up on the front board. That is two-sided, so make sure you look at both sides. I would like to ask that you please do not mark or draw on any of the answer keys, and make sure that if they are taken down, especially the color copy in front that's put up with the magnets, make sure that you put them back before you leave. The other way that you can get to the answer key is by going to my website, and I'll just go ahead and type it here on the screen just in case you forgot. My website is teachers.olatheschools.com/arazors. So you can write that down. You can also look on your syllabus, it's there, or I believe if you go to the Olathe South website and look in the faculty directory, you can get to my website that way too. So if you go to my website, it looks like this, and over on the left you're going to click geometry and then click that middle link that says click here for assignment calendar, and you can see that on today's date it's got the Unit 5 review. So if you did need another copy, or if you want a blank copy to practice more, you can click on the link that says, or the title that says Unit 5 review, and if you click more details you can get another copy of the review. But also, what you're probably more interested in, click on that title that says answer key, and if you click more details, then it will give you a link for the PDF that will take you to the color highlighted entire answer key. So regardless of whether or not you finish this in class, I want you to keep it. You're going to turn it in tomorrow. If you get done with the review, then I also want you to work on any other missing assignments that you have from Unit 5, because those will be due tomorrow as well. And if you've completely finished everything, then I suggest you study your vocabulary, like the half sheet that we did on Friday. It was 15 questions, because there will be some vocabulary on your test, some fill-in-the-blank vocabulary, in fact. I would look over your quizzes and practice those problems again, as well as your notes. And if you're going to have your phone out, you may only have it out to listen to music. You cannot text, you cannot do any social media. If you're going to have your laptop out, you can only have your laptop out to access the worksheet or the answer key or notes from my website. You should not be watching Netflix. You should not be playing a game on your computer. Okay, you guys know that those are the expectations, and I expect you to live up to those as you would any other day. So I hope you guys have a great day and be productive, be respectful to yourself, to those around you, and to the substitute, please. Be kind, and I'll hopefully see you soon.